Hey folks, welcome to this week's newsletter. A couple of things to let you know about. One is behind me, the baptism tank is getting ready. We got 2 people on Sunday getting baptized. And hey, would you make a priority to come on out? We want to support these 2 individuals. We're going to hear from a bit of their story and how baptism looks. We'll look again at part of Romans in the teaching. Of course, we'll sing and celebrate and pray together. Hey, we're going to be praying for the names up on this wall, so make sure you come, and we'll pause and be able to do that. If you still haven't put a name up on the wall yet, you're more than welcome to do that. We're going to be leaving that up, and it'll be an opportunity for us to lift our city up to the Lord and pray. Also, men, want to remind you, our men's breakfast, some people have already signed up. I see, hey, Chris and Dan, you've done well. Chad, you're on there. Claude, and who else is there? We got Kevin. Oh, hey, I signed up. Did you sign up? Derek, I saw your name too. Hey, men, let's sign up March 29th. Doors open at 8:30. We're going to start eat. We got a couple guys sharing their testimony, some challenges for the men in the church. Be sure to make this a priority, men. We also want to let the ladies. We have a sister church who is going, we'll put that information up, who is hosting a ladies' breakfast. It's the same day on March 29th, and Christy Herr has said, hey, can you let people know I want to go to that? Does anybody else want to go? And so if you're like, I'm not sure who Christy is, hey, just get a hold of us at the office, send an email off, and we'll connect you with her. But you'll want to be able to, ladies, if you're interested in going, she's going. And so be sure to connect up with her. Hey, this is our welcome station. I'm trying to do our best to keep some information here. So there's some Lent questions to help you walk through Lent. We have a couple devotionals still left for the Lent season. Of course, we got Holy Week stuff coming up, and so that will be available. It's only about a month away. We have a call to prayer and fasting that week, and so information will be coming out about that. There's also some sermon notes that are here and a few other activities that are going on. And so be sure just to check that out. Keep that in as you come Sunday to say, hey, what's new? And of course, our bulletin boards, you'll start to see some Holy Week items show up on there. Hey, we'll see you Sunday as we celebrate some baptisms.